A shipment of 12 microwave ovens contains 3 defective units. A vending company purchases 4 units at random. We want to find what is the probability that all 4 units are good, exactly 2 units are good, and at least 2 units are good. So we need to find out how many good units we have out of the 12. So 12 minus 3 gives us 9 good units. And then therefore we know we have 3 bad or 3 defective units. So what is the probability that all 4 units are good? So we can write 9 choose some are, and then for 3 defective, well, we can choose 3 choose some are as well. So that's our total of 12 units. So all 4 units are good, meaning that we're going to choose 4 out of these 9 good ones. So that's what's going to be our R value. So we're going to have 9, and we're choosing 4 out of there. And then the total, over the total of 12, choose 4. So this will be 9 factorial over 9 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. And then 12 factorial over 12 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So I'm going to pause the video and finish the math. So when I'll be back, I'll have the answers here. So then if you simplify this all the way, then you would get 14 out of 55. So exactly 2 units are good. So out of the 4, 2 units are good, which means 2 have to be defective. So 2 good and 2 defective. So we have to choose 2 out of the 9 good. So it's going to be 9 choose 2 times we need 2 defective out of those 3. So 3 choose 2. So again, the 2 plus 2 is the total that the vending company is purchasing, right? They're purchasing 4. And then that's over the same 12 choose 4. So I'm going to pause video and do the math for this. So the probability is 12 out of 55. So this is really nice if you can simplify. You really don't need a calculator, right? So 9 factorial over 7 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial over 1 factorial times 2 factorial all over the 12 factorial over 8 factorial times 4 factorial. So just kind of simplifying here. Notice I got my numerator down to 9 times 4 times 3 all over 11 times 5 times 9. So I just took the denominator and took it from what I did the work up here, and I noticed I'm only left with 11 times 5 times 9. So then I wrote it out, and then I can cancel out another 9. So notice all I had to multiply was 4 times 3, which is 12, and 11 times 5 is 55. So I kind of made it a little nicer to simplify all the way. Now we're looking at the last example. The company purchases 4 units and at least 2 good units. So at least 2 good units means they have 2 good and 2 defective, plus they also have at least 2 good. That means they have 3 good and 1 defective, plus they can have all 4 that are good. So what's nice about this is we really did find some of this information. We know all 4 units are good. We have the answer here, which is 14 out of 55 here. 2 good and 2 defective is letter B for us. And so that is our 12 out of 55. So then the last thing we need to find is 3 good and 1 defective. So that is going to be the 9 choose 3 times our 3 defective choose 1 all over the 12 choose 4. So I'll do the math again on this. So I'll pause the video. So doing the work for 9 choose 3 times 3 choose 1 over 12 choose 4, I find that to be 28 over 55. So that's a probability of 3 good and 1 defective. So we're going to add it all together. So 4, bring up the 1, 2, 3, 4, 54 out of 55. So pretty high chance that they'll have at least 2 good units. So 54 out of 55.